Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and I'm using the Mastertone Stage package to adjust the width and the apparent depth of my tracks. So first up is the Widener. Let's have a listen. So of course, as I pull the width control back, everything starts to fold down into the middle and we get less reverb and more snare drum, for example. We've also got this EQ control here as well, and what that does is it puts an emphasis at a certain frequency, so there's more widening happening in the high mids there. Through to the low mids, and as I sweep through you can hear it doing its thing. I'm kind of liking it with that bypassed at the moment. Next up is the Deepener, and that lets you adjust the apparent distance of any central sound sources towards the listener, with maximum being closest. Let's have a listen. And again, if I bring this depth control back to its minimum, we get the opposite behaviour. So super wide and super reverberant there. So also useful for removing the centre. And again I have the EQ control. So that's shoring up the lower frequencies, whereas I'm adding focus in the middle in the high mid frequencies here. Although complete transformation of the Soundstage is possible using just the two main controls, the Stage package's tools are both useful at their minimum settings to get opposite behaviour, making each a good alternative to the other's intended purpose. So that is the Stage package from Mastertones. To read our full article and to find out more, head over to the Production Expert blog.